I just finished this wonderful, antique singing birdcage. Absolutely fantastic condition, fully restored, wonderful light blue flooring, and the foliage matches. The blue also matches the coloring of the bird, which is a combination of light blue, dark blue, and white. Let's hear it play, starting off on the pause feature. Exceptionally strong singer, very clear. The pause function works flawlessly. Nice long pause. We'll wait for it to start singing again, and then I'll turn it to continuous. Let's move to continuous. These are the original bird feathers. Wonderful long tail. So like I mentioned, the bird sings with full voice, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes. The animation is perfect, and the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Just a wonderful example all the way around. In summary, a fantastic antique singing birdcage, no apologies, that looks perfect and works perfect. Take care.